I don't hear you. Hear you up there. Come on.
Get a fucking quiet cake party, man.
Oh shit, there he goes.
Thank you.
Quiet cake party. Show your butt off, bro.
Show your butt off.
We're gonna get all the tour jokes now.
You love the Cheerio, bro.
Alright, this one is off the new album.
Is it?
I think. No, it's not. I forgot. Oh, I got this song list wrong. Fuck me.
Bobby, I don't need a set list. What do you believe?
Sign off the wall.
And I still be darling. So, and he will still be your darling.
In Vodka's defense, that's the first time he's fucked up the list at all.
Thank you. We won't hear many more of that. Yeah. Whatever the fuck it was. It's about the lone soul. He goes, "Ow, at night." It's a sign of the wolf. Thank you so much.